This week we're doing weekly meal preps. This includes sweet potatoes, tons of chicken, and Spanish rice. Now this is meal prep day. Usually for me it's on Sundays. Getting ready for the week. These chicken thighs, I'm going to season them with garlic powder. Not garlic salt, garlic powder and lemon pepper. These are the lemon pepper thighs. These drumsticks, I'm seasoning with garlic powder and this dry rub, brown sugar. I also, on these, I give them 1 or 2 slices just so they can cook better. In this case, I'm going to cook them on the smoker, so it just enhances the flavor. With these set of drumsticks, I'm going to flavor them with garlic powder, some adobo, lightly, and some just regular dry rub, traditional for smoking or grilling. Go ahead and spice that around, rub it around. Quarter thighs, flavoring with garlic powder and some Montreal chicken. This is actually Montreal chicken mixed with a little bit of other stuff that I've added. Little secret recipe here. Notice on these also, I do give them some slices. That way they can cook faster and, all the way through. We don't want nothing raw. All my chicken prepped. I got the lemon pepper chicken thighs. I got the brown sugar drumsticks. I also got drumsticks, but these are the original barbecue flavor rub. And these are the Montreal chicken flavoring. These are the thighs, the quarter thighs. Drumsticks, and thighs. So here, got the chicken all laid out. Gonna smoke it at 350 degrees for about an hour to an hour 15 minutes, depending. It's a little chilly outside. Ooh. So I cooked these for an hour and 15 minutes at 400. Just gonna stab it. Make sure the fork goes all the way through. They're soft and they're done.